Hey everyone, welcome back to Arcade Travel. Today we're staying at the Kimpton Shane Hotel in Atlanta, and this is a King Premium Panoramic View room. I'll give you a quick look at the room layout, the bed, the bathroom, and of course those city views, so you can exactly see what this room has to offer before you book. Let's head inside and take a look. If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more room tour videos just like this one. Alright, that's a look at the King Premium Panoramic View room here at the Kimpton Shane Hotel in Atlanta. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more hotel room tours and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next tour.